Hi everyone, it's Miss Alcalde again. I'm here with my little girl today. This is Tessa. Say hi.
Hi.
Tessa and I would love to read you another Elephant and Piggie story. This is another one of her favorites. What's the title?
Elephants cannot dance.
So Tessa's in kindergarten and she can't wait to share one of her favorite books with you. I hope you enjoy it just as much as we do. Here we go. Elephants Cannot Dance by Mo Willems.
Gerald,
Hmm.
let's dance. I can teach you. I'm teaching all my friends.
I would love to learn how to dance. But elephants cannot dance.
You are kidding me.
Look it up. His book says what elephants can do.
Yeah.
Page 11.
I did that to my story. Gerald, it does not say that you cannot try.
We should always try. You are right, Piggy. I can try to dance. Do you think it's going to work? I will try to dance.
Zip.
Let's dance. Oof.
I say oof. Okay, let's go. Jump with me when I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump!
Jump.
You are a little late on the jump.
I was a little late on the jump.
We will try again.
We will try again.
You sure? Let's try again. Move your arms this way.
I can't get the pages to turn.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We will try again.
We will try again.
Move your leg. Lift your leg this way. We will try again.
We will try again. Look at Elephant's face. He doesn't look too happy right now.
Yeah, I'm not happy. Up.
Up.
Down.
Down.
Up. And when she's up, he's down. When she's down, he's up.
Aww.
I think this is a synonym or
Antonyms, but they're
spin.
opposites.
Yeah, opposite. Spin.
Spin.
Stop.
Stop.
Forward.
Forward.
Backward.
Backward.
Wiggle waggle.
Wiggle waggle.
Walk like a robot.
Robot walk.
Oh, walk
Okay.
like a robot? Robot walk? Oh.
Enough. I have tried and tried and tried and tried and tried. But I am an elephant, and elephants just cannot dance.
No. Plop. Oh, Gerald.
Aw, poor Gerald.
Yeah. Hello. Want me to read that one?
Go ahead.
You read.
We are ready to learn some moves.
I'm sorry. I cannot teach you now. My friend is sad. Silly, we do not want you to teach us.
We want to learn the elephant. Oh,
Teach me, please.
me too.
Me 3.
More feeling. Keep trying. You're getting it. And they're going,
You know what that's supposed to say?
The end.
Wait, we have to find the pigeons, right?
Oh, so in every Mo Willems book, I think in the end of the book, right?
Yeah.
They always have
A
pigeon
pigeon.
hidden. So do you guys see the hidden pigeon? Tessa, do you want to show them where it is? Right there. So that's something else you could do when you are reading any of the Mo Willems books. I hope everyone is doing well, and we'll see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.